Hey there, welcome back to another new video. So in this video, we are going to explore the iconic BlackBerry Curve 8900 and see how it holds up in today's tech world. So if you are a fan of nostalgia and classic smartphones, so you are for a treat. So before we jump in the video, so don't forget to subscribe my channel and also ring notification bell so you won't miss any content from my channel. So let's get started. First of all, so this BlackBerry Curve 8900 released in 2008 and was a game changer in its time with QWERTY keyboard and sleek design. So as you can see here, it's really beautiful device. And first thing first, let's talk about the design. So first of all, the BlackBerry Curve 8900 was known for its compact form factor, as you can see here, and comfortable keyboard. The keyboard is pretty tactile and it's pretty nice actually, and also in an era of like dominated by large all-screen smartphone today's world, the how does BlackBerry design hold up? You can see here it still looks pretty damn good actually. So let's take a closer look of the device. So in front we have a 2.4-inch TFT display which is 480 by 360. It's pretty high resolution display for this small display. And also we have a notification LED here, and also we have a sensor here for auto brightness and for keyboard light, so that the keyboard light can turns on automatically. And also we have a very beautiful tactile QWERTY keypad here, as you can see here, and with one of the best feature of this phone actually, a trackball, as you can see here. I bought this device mainly for this trackball actually, because I haven't used any device which has a trackball. I did use few devices with different kind of tracking points. So we have a Samsung device here, as you can see. It has a trackpad. It's different than the one which come with the BlackBerry. And also we have a BlackBerry here which has different kind of navigation button, touchpad here. And we have another BlackBerry here which has a different type of navigation button, as you can see. And we also have this Nokia device which have another kind of touchpad, as you can see here, and also navigation button. So this one is also quite nice, but I really love this trackball here. It works flawlessly. So in front we don't have anything else, and in the right hand side we have 3.5mm headphone jack. Also we have our volume rockers and a button here which is remappable, quite nice, you know. And also we have a micro USB port here for charging and data syncing purpose. In the left hand side we have another button here. This button also remappable, so you can remap it whatever you want to. And also on top we have our lock switch, and for silence the device we have a silence button here. On the back we have amazing 3.2 megapixel camera with autofocus and also LED flash here. And there is nothing much going on. There is speaker here actually. The speaker here is pretty loud and clear, and we don't have any earpiece. The speaker used as a earpiece in this device. So let's go and check out this device and explore the software. So this BlackBerry actually runs on BlackBerry OS 4.6 and it can be updated to OS 5. And I have two more of the same device here, as you can see, and one of them running on OS 4.6 and one of them on BlackBerry OS 5. And this device is running on BlackBerry OS 4.6. I cannot update this device to 5 because there is no software available, no firmware available to flash. So if you have one of the firmware for this device, please let me know in the comment section below so that I can get it and flash the device. So going with the specs, this device is actually powered by a 500 megahertz processor, maybe 128 MB of RAM, and probably 256 MB of the ROM. And it also got Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Unfortunately, it only supports 2G networks, but it still connect to the networks. As you can see here, I have my SIM card in and it's connected to the network. And I did try to make phone call and other things. It does work with phone call and everything like that. And also you can use the SIM card data to browse the internet. And also we have Wi-Fi too actually. So these all things are going on with the specs and things. So let's go and check out what's going on with the OS. So first of all, it's BlackBerry OS, pretty much similar to all the BlackBerries. You can see the icons and everything here. So the trackball is, you can see it works flawlessly. Actually, I really love this trackball. And going with the application, there are a few applications which came with the device, and also I have installed few of them in this device. So I will show you all of them. So first of all, going with the game section, we have few games came with the device. As I have 3 of them, actually I was able to recover some games and apps from other devices and also some themes and import all of them here. So all of the application was here, all are here now. So that's quite nice that the application is available still. And in the download section, as you can see here, I have few application here, like, and these 3 games I have installed, and these games I just back up from the another device and put it here. And also this device running on OS 4, so it doesn't have any kind of like file explorer. So I have installed one file explorer here to explore the file, and I put an SD card here which is 8 gig, and it works perfectly fine, 8 gigs. And going with other things, we do have Opera Mini here. So installing Opera Mini in this device actually pretty simple. Like I have reviewed few Nokia devices and talk about how you can install Opera Mini, because those devices are having some kind of certificate issue. But in this device you will not get that, although it is pretty old device released back in 2008, but it still holds up pretty nice. I will show you how you can install Opera Mini in this device too. So going with other things, as you can see here, the Wi-Fi is also connected right now. So let's go and try browsing the device. Maybe you can go to the setting first, then it will browse. So going to the setting, we have few things here. If you go to about section, so you can see the model number BlackBerry 8900, and we have Wi-Fi and other things here with the version of Wi-Fi and other things. So let me focus. So you can see here now, and Java support and other things. So in the advanced option, we have few things here, application, browser and other things. And also this device got GPS too, and on off, auto text, language, Bluetooth and memory section. And in the owner section, you can write down your name and information. Actually this device actually owned by a Malaysian person, and I got it here, and I had wiped all the data. That's why the name is gone now, but I kept all the application. In the profile section, we can go to the ringtone, and the speaker here is pretty loud. Let me show you that too. So we are here. So it's pretty loud and clear. Now if the volume is here, actually is in now if I put it in high, and let's try. So you got the idea of how loud is this speaker is. So there is 3 grill actually. The speaker is coming out from this side, and also in front. So pretty nice. And also we have keyboard and trackball and theme. So in the theme section, I did install few themes. As I said, I have few more devices, and I just recovered those themes from there and install all of them here. So if you want these themes, you can let me know in the comment section below, and you will get this theme from my Telegram group too. And Wi-Fi connection. So as I said, the Wi-Fi is connected now, as you can see here, to my Wi-Fi. And other things like if you want to change the trackball speed and other things, all those things also available. So if you want to do that, maybe screen keyboard, you go there and you can see. And also you can choose the buttons. If you want to change these buttons option, you can choose. So if now it's default, it's in camera, I can choose music from here. Usually I put music because on my another device I did put music. And also this side you can put something else, like for me I will put Opera Mini here. So okay, also you can choose trackball speed is now in 70, and you can also make it like making noise and other things. Going with the font family, we have font and other things too. So pretty much BlackBerry stuff which we get with all the other BlackBerries. And status section, you can see the battery percentage and EMI, IMEI and other things. Other than that, nothing here actually, and that's all about the setting. Going with the applications, let's try to browse internet. So if you really want to install like Opera Mini in this device, so first of all let's browse. So if you go to browser section, just write m.operamini.com. so if you browse, and as you can see, it opened and it detect your device. So BlackBerry 8900, hopefully you can see, and let me focus, and 8900, and you can directly download Opera Mini, or if you want another one like like 4.5, you can just go to other download option and you can download Opera Mini 4.5 directly from here too. So now let's try to install. I have already installed Opera Mini 8. Now I'm downloading Opera Mini 4.5. So it's downloading now, and it's pretty fast, and you will not have any issue like Nokia devices. Pretty good actually. So it's taking time and installing, and the application does not contain signature. Yes, it doesn't matter. So it's taking time to install. As I said, this device maybe have 128 MB of RAM. It's not really fast that much, but it's pretty usable. It's much more better than any Symbian device. Symbian device always lags, but this device working flawlessly, and also the multitasking here actually pretty good. So this device also can do multitasking like other BlackBerry devices. So now we are installing it. Yes. Now if you want to like install any games on this device, you can directly go to whattrick.com and you can install any kind of game you would like. But playing games with this trackball is really difficult. Maybe you have to use the buttons here, QWERTY buttons, so that you can like play. I did install few games here as I showed you. I will try to play one of them. So now it's still installing and it's done now. So it said wait a while Opera Mini gathers the information about your phones and other things. So I don't really need that. So let it do it in the background. So we can use Opera Mini 8 here. As you can see, Opera Mini 8 is open. And if we go to Facebook, so you can still browse Facebook actually on this device, although it is not really fast or the UI is like old UI, but it does work actually, so you will not have any issue. So currently I'm having some issue with the trackball because it's too fast, and maybe I need to reduce the speed to 50-50, then it will be much better. So now whenever I click on Facebook, it's just going down to the another application. But anyway, the internet is working just fine, although it is a pretty old device, about 15 years old right now, but working just fine. So still you can browse few things here and there, so there is no issue with that. So going with the game section, so it's all in the download folder. So there is a Facebook application here, but it doesn't work anymore. And the BlackBerry so this application is directly from BlackBerry, so it doesn't work anymore. So as you can see, currently it doesn't work. And BlackBerry app world also present here, but it also doesn't work anymore. BlackBerry app world also doesn't work. Pretty much if you are buying this device right now, it's either for collecting or just for phone calls. And also phone call, you can't make it, like in some of the countries you can't make phone calls with this device because of 2G network, but it's still working here in my country. It does work. So let's try to play games. So I did install like MotoGP and UMK3 here, so you can play games actually, pretty much playable most of the games, and the display looks really great actually. Well, you can see that it's pretty sharp actually, the display, and games are working just fine. Okay, music. As I said, it's pretty difficult to like use this device like playing games with the knob because it's too fast. You have to make it slow. Other than that, it's working just fine. and I really love this device. And if you are thinking about the battery, so the battery is DX1. So I got this device for pretty low price actually, but I had to do few things here and there. The display was not really good. I had to salvage a display from this device. And this device actually, the body is in really good condition, so I had to change the display, and the battery was dead when I got it, and I need to revive it actually. So I revived it, and now the battery is working perfectly fine. There is no issue, and the device is working. So pretty good device. If you see the, like, from 2008 this device, and it holds up pretty well and looks also pretty nice actually. I really like this kind of device. Like, there are few iOS devices right now with keypad and display. Maybe if they make it like this, the iOS, I will buy one of those two actually, with the QWERTY keyboard and the display like this. This device is actually pretty nice and hold up pretty well. So that's all about BlackBerry Carp 8900. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you next time.